Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync Outlook Calendar with Google Calendar. So first you can go to outlook.com and sign in for your account. After that you can go to file here and then go to settings and then go to calendar. Now you can click share calendars. You can scroll down and you will find publish a calendar. You can select this drop down and choose calendar, and for the permission you can choose can view all details and then click publish, and then there will be two links, the HTML and the ICS, so you can just copy the ICS link. After you copy it you can go to your Google Calendar, and then in the other calendars here you can click plus icon and then choose from URL. Then you can paste the link you copied before and then click add calendar. After that, you will see your calendar here, your Outlook calendar in the other calendar tab. And then you can just, just rename it, maybe Outlook calendar. So I think that's it. Let me know if this video helpful. Thank you.